Folks, let me have your attention right quick before we pull out. Now, we're not going to make any stops in the park. We're going to come right back here. Make sure you have me watch for the kids. Keep everything inside the frame. Feet, legs, and hands. We don't want anybody getting hurt. Here we go. Folks, I'm glad y'all came out and visit with us tonight. Shared our Christmas lights. We got Santa in the house. We got hot chocolate and cookies. Our animal area is open. You can walk around the deer park just like you normally do in daylight. You can go inside the habitat house where all the small animals are.
Just follow it around. You take it around that way. That's what it looks like right there.
If you want some hot chocolate and cookies, you can decorate yourself. This building right here on your left. Then if you want to see Santa Claus, follow the toy posters. Off to the left is all of our habitat area. And got some pretty music you can hear really, really well. These buildings right on your right come out of Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, built in 1777. Can you imagine spending Christmas in one of these buildings? I don't know. I don't believe they could get a direct TV dish on top of that. On your left, there's a little covered bridge, comes out of Reed City, Alabama. Our next building on your left is a drip mill. Pretty cornmeal, this is how you got it in the pioneer days. You brought it to a drip mill and they were frying it down. Now, if you want to write Santa a letter right here at our post office, you're welcome to go inside there, write him a letter, and you can drop it in the mail. This Knoxville Falls, that's about 95 feet from the bottom. Now, besides this next building, it's the only place in the park we have platforms on both sides of the train. Alright, now you're welcome to walk around the park all you want. Just remember the exit is the same place you came in. Normally I would ask you to exit to the rear of the train, but here in Christmas with as many people as we have, we find it better if you'll exit to the front, then we'll load to the back. So when I get up here and I get the plane stopped, everybody on the plane exits to the front.